How to use TikTok photo mode feature. It's really easy. First of all, what you're gonna do is simply open your TikTok, make sure you're logged into your account, then tap on the plus icon right here in order to create one, right? After doing that, then from here we will now be able to record our video just like this, how a normal TikTok would work. This is a 15-second video, but if I go back, discard this clip, here you will be able to see the option of photo. All you need to do is tap on photo. And now our photo mode has been turned on. You can now simply tap on it. If you want to select any sort of filter, you can simply do that. And then after doing that, what you're going to do is simply tap on the filter icon and you'll be able to click photo just like this. So if you go back here, we have other thing that you can do. If you scroll down, simply tap on this arrow right here, you'll be able to see the option of ratio. If you tap on it, now we are back on our normal screen. If you want it wide, again tap on it and we are back on the wider screen just like this. You'll be able to click photo in here and you'll be able to upload it if you want to, and just like this you'll be able to use your TikTok photo mode feature. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.